Once upon a time, a pregnant deer was in labor. It was evening. The forest sky was covered with dark, menacing clouds. Lightning struck. Fire broke out, spreading quickly through the woods. The deer had to flee her home. She reached a riverside, exhausted, thirsty, and ready to give birth. Her reflection in the water showed her fear. Her home was burning, and her time had come. As she bent down to drink, she heard rustling in the bushes to her left. A hunter stood there, bow drawn. Arrow aimed straight at her. Her heart raced. She turned to run to the right, but froze. A lion was crouching in the bushes, ready to pounce. She looked around desperately. Hunter on one side, lion on the other. Forest fire behind her. No. Deep river full of crocodiles in front of her. Death was everywhere. Escape was impossible. Her mind raced for a way out, but found none. Then she thought, if death is certain, why be afraid? Why not face it with dignity? She took a deep breath. Her fear faded. She drank the water calmly, hoping for the best. The hunter pulled back his arrow. But just then, a deafening clap of thunder shook the sky. Startled, his hands trembled. The arrow missed the deer and struck the lion instead. The wounded lion roared in fury and charged at the hunter. The hunter dropped his bow and ran for his life. Rain began to pour, putting out the forest fire. The danger was gone. The deer finished drinking, saw that neither the lion nor the hunter remained, and quickly ran to safety. There she gave birth to 3 beautiful fawns. Moral of the story? In life, we all face moments where danger surrounds us from every side, and there seems to be no way out. But fear will not save you. Courage and calm thinking will. When you face problems with hope and positivity, miracles can happen.